Hello everyone, this is Zaid Hanna with the Hanna Group, and it is December 31st, 2019. I can't believe the year is now almost done. We have a couple of hours left. With that being said, what really happened in 2019? So this video is designed to be 2019 at a glance. We'll go over numbers, we'll go over what happened, the gains, the losses in terms of value, how did the market do in regards to the stock market, and also where is the interest rate coupled with how are we going to actually see 2020 as we are leading into it. Well, January 2nd of 2019, we had a total of 502 actives. April 1st, 761 actives. So we increased about 260. July 2nd, we had 1,138 actives. We almost doubled from the first half of the year. By the way, we had about 718 pending. So there was about 1.6, 1.7 months worth of inventory. Once we hit December, the inventory started to drop quite a bit. So today, we are at 308 total actives for the entire population of San Jose, which is a little over 1 million. Some people are saying slightly below, but I think it's over 1 million. Total pendings is 418. So we have less than 1 month worth of inventory. As we have 308 active, 418 pendings. So what really happened in 2019 in terms of the gains? The first half, we saw about 5 to 7% gains growth from the drop that we seen from the year before. Now, as the inventory dropped, as I shared with you, January, we had 500. As the inventory drops, we are seeing more activity. People had the opportunity to buy after the stock market recovered at the end of 2018 to 2019. So we saw a little bit of increase, 5 to 7%. Well, we gave that back between June to about October. We went down 10 to 12%, depending on the neighborhood. Depends on the neighborhood. The more inventory it had, the more decrease that it actually saw, and then of course vice versa. So the last 2 months we saw a 3 to 4% appreciation. It goes back to the inventory coming down, 400, 500, now 300. We are seeing multiple offers. So heads up, if you're in the market today, you need to be aggressive with your offerings unless the property is sitting on the market for over a month. Even that is seeing actually multiple offers because there isn't anything else in the market. So overall, we are about flat. Some areas it's slightly below. If your property was backing up into the highway, or there's a busy street in the front, or there's those electrical poles in the back, that affected the value of your home. So that saw a little bit more depreciation than other properties that were completely remodeled in a very quiet neighborhood with a cul-de-sac, say. Now, overall, in terms of the Dow Jones and the S&P, we saw some amazing growth there. It actually broke records. It gave people the confidence to buy because their portfolios have seen growth. So in turn, they cashed in, they stocked in the stock, and they actually bought their first home or their second investment, and so on and so forth. Unemployment for 2019 was about 3.6%, and inflation was about 2.1%. In other words, we had an amazing year in terms of growth, appreciation, unemployment, and all of that good stuff. Now, 2020, as we head into the year, as we're seeing the numbers, in 2016, we saw similar numbers. Similar numbers in terms of the inventory being low, in terms of people bidding on a property, multiple offers, the percentage that it's going up. Now, you are not seeing it in Zillow and Redfin yet. You will see it in about a month or two from now. You are going to see that values are going up. I projected 3 to 4% by the end of the year. You are going to see that. Of course, they're going to publish that in these sites where you look for properties. So you have to be aggressive the first quarter of the year. I think we're going to have an amazing first half of the year. And then the second half of the year will depend on how the elections will go. If it's going to have a lot of drama associated with it, where it's going to affect the stock market, our real estate is going to pause as well. But if we continue with this lack of inventory headed into 2020, I think the first half is going to be an amazing year. So if you guys need any specific data, feel free to reach out to me. But I hope this helped. This was 2019 at a glance. My number is 408-515-1613. Feel free to call me at any time. Bye-bye now.